Xiaomi updated the Mi Fit app lately and they took a feature that made Mi Band 4 users disappointed. Hi, this is Eric for Smartwatch Authority and today I'm going to tell you what Xiaomi took out from the Mi Fit app that might disappoint you too. So the Mi Fit app got updated lately and there have been nothing really visible that would be too obvious to notice. So you see, we made this video about being able to download watch faces from a third-party app to your Mi Fit app and sync it to your Mi Band 4. This gives us Mi Band 4 users a wide range of watch faces to choose from and bank our favorite ones on our Mi Fit app. But the last time I did that, after the update, I'm not anymore able to save some third-party watch faces because they took out the tab called My Band Display where you can store your favorite watch faces that you installed to your band. This disappointed a lot of Mi Band 4 users and demanded to have it back in the Mi Fit app. Instead of the My Band Display tab, they changed it to Customize Watch Faces, where you can customize 3 watch faces where you can only choose out of 3 positions of the time and change the background picture. I mean, that's okay, but it's also be nice to be able to save some third-party watch faces. But someone has a fix for this. He said all you need to do is to download an old version of the Mi Fit app so the old tab will be recovered. But remember, this is an old version and you might be missing some updates. We will put the link on the description if you want to do that. So if you agree that Xiaomi should put back the My Band Display tab, hit the like button and comment down below. Make sure you tell Xiaomi to put the My Band Display back to the Mi Fit app because it's yours. That's why it's called My Band Display. Make sure comment down below. Other than that, the Mi Band 4 is still all great fitness tracker. So if you want to get one, we have the link below and please use our link to help us out without any extra cost to you, but it will help us out make more videos like this in the future. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.